Meteorologist Tom Ackerman. Boy, there's just a lot of rain out there this morning.
There is. It's been heavy at times. You experienced that first and foremost early this morning. And you've got to watch it on the roads. I think that's a potential hazard beyond just getting wet. If you're driving in this, look out. Now, it's really let up here, but even downtown Lexington, I mean, look at the morning. It's overcast, it's dreary, it's wet. And again, that rainfall has been torrential at times, and that's going to be the case with whatever develops later on today, and there will be more development. So get ready for that. Brace yourself for that eventuality. As far as the Max Track is concerned, Fayette County, we're in a brief little blip of very little going on. You've got some lone showers. Southern Clark County, there's the heavier rain. It is now up towards Mount Olivet, Robertson County, going up through Flemingsburg and eventually out towards Maysville. So that's tracking northeast up into southern Ohio. But if you look back to the west, there is more development back along 65, and that's, of course, tracking in our direction. So our southeastern counties, you guys have been high and dry this morning. That likely won't be the case later on today. But a lot of what's going on is cutting right through the heart of the viewing area here as far as Lexington's concerned. And this batch out west around Bardstown is going to track in our direction as well, which means we've got more on the way. And not just this morning. There'll be more later on this afternoon. So there's the round out west. As far as severe potential, it's limited, and we've only got a marginal risk clipping our eastern Kentucky counties from the Storm Prediction Center. So lowest level they assign, and it is just barely including some of our eastern counties. So minimal severe threat, strong storms, some borderline severe with gusty winds like we saw yesterday. We did get a few severe storms and even a little bit of wind damage out of those storms, but just not a high enough risk to elevate the threat index. But you want to watch out because with this slow-moving front, it's stalled and it's slowly tracking southeast. We will see repeated rounds of showers and storms coming through. Look at Frankfort. Just overnight, you guys have picked up 3/4 of an inch of rain, almost a ½ an inch in Louisville, close to 2/10 of an inch in Lexington, and zip down south. Future track shows that additional development later on today. This is where we get into the possibility of not just heavy rain, but maybe some strong storms. And then tomorrow, with the front sagging south into Tennessee, just a few lingering scattered showers and a few thunder showers. So the bulk of it, the peak of it today. It's 71 degrees. This is the cloud cover associated with these showers and these storms. I want to give you a quick update on the tropics because there have been some developments. Debbie was subtropical yesterday. It's now up to a tropical storm, but it's only worth noting just because it is a named storm now. So we're up to Debbie in what has been a very slow Atlantic hurricane season. Winds at 45 miles per hour. The Pacific still hopping, though. Ileana washed out yesterday. Hurricane John still out there off the Mexico coastline. You got Tropical Storm Christy. And Hurricane Hector, still a major hurricane, but down to a Category 3, and it's going to pass just to the south. This thing is heading due west, just to the south of the Big Island, where they've got a tropical storm warning in effect. 81 degrees, showers, storms, heavy rain today. If you get some breaks in the clouds, your temperature will spike closer to 90. So there could be some definite differences in highs, and it's all dependent on cloud cover today, really. Scattered showers and storms later on today, overnight, and then starting to taper off Thursday. Friday looks good. This weekend, slowly rising shower and storm chances. Pretty low-end stuff for Saturday, so I still think we'll be okay. A better chance, though, for scattered showers and storms to wrap up the weekend and start off early next work week.